Hey guys, Xfer Sonance here, back in our video. In this video we were making a bass line like new aspect. In the previous part we made a pluck sound, so now we're gonna make a bass sound. The final result will sound like this. So now let's dive into the preset. So if you're on this preset and 50 more other presets in the style selected, make sure to check future selection for him too. In the preset pack, you'll find all the presets you need to make that selected kind of style. So now let's dive into the preset. Sounding like this. So selecting the preset, go over the saw wave for oscillator A, lower down 2 octaves, square wave for oscillator B, lower down 2 octaves as well, and shape a filter. I'm gonna go for the low 24, cut off around here, some drive, fatness. So now we're gonna shape envelope 1, sustain around halfway, some more release, and route to the cutoff, sounding like this. Now we're gonna use the sub oscillator for FM modulation of both oscillators. So select FM for sub to around here, same for oscillator B, and with envelope 1 to it. As you can hear, this open up the bass sound a bit more. Then on legato always, and portamento to make it slide a bit more. And that's already it for the oscillators, so now let's dive into effects. First of all, we're going to use the hyper dimension, some hyper, and some dimension, sounding like this. Then some distortion, we're going to use tube distortion. So lower the drive, I want envelope 1 to the drive, to give it a more kind of plucky sound. Then we're going to use some OTT, gain around here. You can hear this open up the bass sound a bit more, brings up the highs some more, and make it a bit more dirtier. And some EQ, some bell filter, and route envelope 1 to the gain, to bring out more highs with the sound. Then we're gonna add some reverb, so put the low cut because we don't want any reverb in the lowest bass line. Shape it like this. There's some chorus, so give this effect, so it makes it kind of more analog. And to finish it off, we're gonna add a filter, so cut off on here, and route envelope 1 to it. Some more drive and fatness. And the last thing we're gonna do, so with envelope 3 to the chorus pitch, to make it sound more plucky. So you can hear this, add some more punch to the bass line. And that's already it. So in the track it sounds like this. So that's it. If on the preset, make sure to check future selection. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you see more, hit the subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.